Ever wondered why you suddenly feel that tickle in your throat right after someone sneezed across the room? Let's break down the super spreader tactics of the common cold in 60 seconds. When someone with a cold coughs, sneezes, or even just talks, they release tiny droplets packed with viruses. If these land on you, or you breathe them in, bam, you might be next. Even worse, these sneaky germs can live on surfaces like doorknobs, phones, and keyboards for hours. So, you touch a contaminated surface, then touch your face, and it's game on for the virus. But don't worry, you have a defense. The number one rule is to wash your hands often with soap and water. Can't get to a sink? Hand sanitizer is your best friend. Try not to touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. And if you're the one feeling sick, cough or sneeze into your elbow. It's a simple move that protects everyone around you. Stay healthy out there. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.